This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall Opera browser. Here you can see Opera software which is installed. Right click on uninstall, and you can see the Opera browser is successfully uninstalled. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.